Welcome to our comprehensive guide on natural deterrents for rodents. In this fascinating journey, we venture into the world of smells, exploring those scents that are repulsive to rodents, yet often quite pleasant for us. Today we're exploring 15 powerful smells that rats and mice despise, providing you with effective home remedies to keep your living spaces rodent-free. Peppermint, with its invigorating aroma, is a staple in many homes. We often welcome its refreshing scent in our teas and candies, but for rodents, it's a different story altogether. The intense menthol in peppermint overwhelms their sensitive olfactory systems. Imagine trying to navigate a world where every breath is filled with an overpowering, minty scent. That's what it's like for a mouse near peppermint. This sensory overload makes it incredibly unpleasant for them to remain in the area. So a few strategically placed peppermint oil-soaked cotton balls can send these unwelcome guests scampering. The spice we often associate with warm holiday aromas is far less appealing to rodents. Cloves possess a strong, pungent aroma that's incredibly effective at repelling these little creatures. The scent comes from a compound called eugenol, which is potent enough to deter rodents from even approaching an area. Think of the strongest smelling spice market you've ever encountered. That's the type of intensity rodents experience with cloves. Sprinkling a few whole cloves around potential entry points or creating sachets of clove-infused fabric can help fortify your home against these unwanted visitors. Ammonia, with its sharp, pungent odor, is something most of us try to avoid. It's not exactly a pleasant smell for humans, but for rodents, it's downright terrifying. This is because the smell of ammonia closely resembles the scent of predator urine, triggering an instinctive fear response in rats and mice. Imagine catching a whiff of danger, a scent that signals a predator is nearby. That's the message ammonia sends to rodents. A small open container of ammonia-based cleaner placed well away from living spaces can be enough to deter rodents from venturing further. Vinegar, a common household staple, is another scent that rodents find unbearable. The strong, acidic scent of vinegar is highly offensive to their sensitive noses. For them, it's not about a cleaning product, but a wave of pungent odor that overwhelms their senses. Imagine encountering a smell so sharp and sour that it makes your nose crinkle. That's the experience vinegar provides for rodents. Soaking rags in vinegar and placing them near rodent hotspots, or simply spraying a vinegar solution around potential entry points, can create an effective deterrent. Best known for its use in insect repellents, Citronella is also surprisingly effective at deterring rodents. This natural oil, derived from various species of lemongrass, emits a strong, citrusy scent that rodents find highly offensive. Just as we might find the smell of certain perfumes overpowering, rodents experience citronella as an assault on their senses. Planting citronella around the perimeter of your home or using citronella-based sprays near entry points can help keep these pests at bay. Garlic, with its strong, pungent aroma, is a staple in many cuisines around the world. While we might enjoy its flavor-enhancing properties, rodents find the smell utterly repulsive. The sulfur compounds present in garlic release a potent odor that these creatures find unbearable. It's like walking into a room filled with an overpowering garlic press, an experience rodents want to avoid. Placing cloves of garlic near potential entry points or creating a garlic-infused spray can help keep your home rodent-free. Cedarwood, known for its pleasant woody aroma, is a natural repellent for many pests, including rodents. The scent of cedarwood comes from natural oils that contain compounds like thujone, which have insecticidal and repellent properties. For rodents, the smell of cedarwood is not just unpleasant, it signals danger. It's like encountering a sign that screams rodents not welcome, a message they understand perfectly. Using cedarwood chips, blocks, or essential oil around your home can create an effective barrier against these unwelcome guests. Cinnamon, with its warm, spicy aroma, is a beloved spice in many cultures. But for rodents, it's anything but inviting. The intense, almost overwhelming scent of cinnamon is highly offensive to their sensitive noses. Imagine encountering a cloud of potent cinnamon powder. That's the kind of sensory overload rodents experience. Sprinkling cinnamon powder near potential entry points or creating cinnamon stick sachets can help keep these pests away. Chili powder, known for its fiery kick, is a powerful deterrent for rodents. The active ingredient in chili powder, capsaicin, is what gives it the heat we feel. For rodents, this capsaicin is more than just heat. It's an irritant that affects their sensitive noses and respiratory systems. Imagine inhaling a cloud of pepper spray. That's the kind of discomfort chili powder can cause rodents. Sprinkling chili powder around potential entry points or creating a chili pepper spray can create an effective barrier. Eucalyptus, with its refreshing, menthol-like aroma, is a popular choice for aromatherapy and cleaning products. While we might find its scent invigorating, rodents find it quite the opposite. The strong, pungent smell of eucalyptus is highly offensive to their sensitive noses. Imagine encountering a wave of intense, medicinal-like aroma. That's the experience eucalyptus provides for rodents. Planting eucalyptus around your home, using eucalyptus essential oil diffusers, or creating eucalyptus-infused sprays can help deter these pests. Bay leaves, with their subtle herbal aroma, are a common ingredient in many cuisines. While we might appreciate their flavor-enhancing properties, rodents find their smell quite disruptive. The bitter, slightly medicinal scent of bay leaves interferes with their keen sense of smell, making it difficult for them to navigate and forage for food. Imagine trying to find your way in a maze while blindfolded. That's the kind of disorientation bay leaves can cause rodents. Placing bay leaves near potential entry points or creating bay leaf sachets can help deter these pests. A mint, with its refreshing, cool aroma, is a popular flavoring for everything from toothpaste to desserts. But for rodents, it's anything but appealing. The strong, menthol-like scent of mint is highly offensive to their sensitive noses. Whether it's peppermint, spearmint, or any other variety, the intense aroma of mint is like a sensory overload for rodents. Planting mint around the perimeter of your home, using mint essential oil diffusers, or creating mint-infused sprays can help keep these pests at bay. Rosemary, with its woody, aromatic scent, is a popular herb in many cuisines. While we might enjoy its flavor-enhancing properties, rodents find its smell quite unpleasant. The intense, almost camphor-like aroma of rosemary is highly offensive to their sensitive noses. Imagine encountering a wave of potent herbal fragrance. That's the experience rosemary provides for rodents. Planting rosemary around your home, using rosemary essential oil diffusers, or creating rosemary-infused sprays can help deter these pests. Lavender, with its calming, floral aroma, is often used for its relaxing properties. While we might find its scent soothing, rodents find it quite repulsive. The strong floral scent of lavender is highly offensive to their sensitive noses. Imagine encountering a wave of potent, perfume-like fragrance. That's the experience lavender provides for rodents. Planting lavender around your home, using lavender essential oil diffusers, or creating lavender-infused sachets can help deter these pests. Onion, with its sharp, pungent aroma, is a staple ingredient in countless dishes. While we might appreciate its flavor-enhancing properties, rodents find its smell utterly repulsive. The sulfur compounds present in onions release a potent odor that these creatures find unbearable. It's like walking into a room filled with the overpowering scent of freshly chopped onions, an experience rodents want to avoid. Placing onion slices near potential entry points or creating an onion-infused spray can help keep your home rodent-free. Thank you for joining us in learning about these natural rodent repellents. Remember, these scents are generally safe for humans and pets when used in moderation, but always research and use caution, especially if allergies are a concern. Implement these scents around your home and enjoy a rodent-free environment. Remember, prevention is key, so seal any cracks or holes in your home's foundation, store food properly, and keep your living spaces clean to further deter these unwelcome guests.